Just got to the shoot site, kind of down a long road to this cool little property back here. New property for us. We got a lot of houses. I'll show you guys some of these houses out here. Got a pretty cool one back here. Cove wraps around. We're actually just one cove over from our Labor Day location last year, but we're setting up everything right station, middle, left. And last year we were right over this mountain, and there's another cove as you guys have seen in the past if you wrap around the island here on a boat essentially. But yeah, gonna get started setting up, show you guys when we get it all set up. Should be sweet. Gonna give you guys a quick walkthrough because they're covering up the other side again because we got a little break in the storm. It's still pretty overcast now and a little chance of rain, hopefully not too bad, and then it'll have a break for the show. So the left and right stations are mirrored. Kind of fanned them out a little on this cove, so this is like pointing that direction, and those ones will kind of come in the same direction, and in the middle. So houses over there will see it better. Houses over here. So we got Protect Your Dream, we got Slice. Not gonna be able to show you all the slices, unfortunately. More Gazooks, had the rest of those I think we have. Neon Goblins, Gazoo, another Slice. These are the Gold Willows. 25 shot. Similar to the Gold Willow from Tannerite, I believe, but these are Freedom First brand. We got a raccoon. This one is a, I forget, blue-tailed, a silver Nishiki Willow with some other effects. You guys will see that obviously in the show, but I don't know what exactly. How many shots was it actually? I think this one is 42. Always hard to find it on raccoons labels. Another Slice, Nature Boy, brown wrap fan. I believe this is a 36 shot. Don't remember the effect. 2-inch color, brown wrap, Slice. This is a straight up red, white, and blue 48 shot, Freedom First 1.4 Pro. Another brown wrap. This one's the 19 shot. As you can see, it rained, so we had to cover some of this up, and we're still wiring. So try not to get water on this. This is another raccoon cake. This one's the neon glittering tail to white shrub and falling leaves. More 25 shot willow. We got a new one, have not seen, Eye of the Tiger. So that's 108 shots plus 122. Look like little 1-inch boars with some fans in there. That's actually kind of unique. There's a, oh, I guess they're all fans, never mind. I thought there was fans and then some straight ones here. Then this one is 16 shot, Gold Willow. That one's another 2-inch, another slice. This one's Crackling Tails, V-shape, Crackling Tails, Crackling Brakes. We got Brass Knuckles. We got one of the new bad boys, Bombshell, Agent, Collection Agent, and then Brocade, red-tailed Brocade, Raccoon Instant. So that'll be pretty sweet. And we got 2 4-inch fireballs. The other one's over there by Brad. And then I got a second 6-inch now, so these are going to be somewhere back here going off at once. And I'll show you guys the middle row when we uncover everything here. But towards the end of the finale, I'll just show you this real quick because it's simple enough. You know what it is. Just a 80 shot rack of all ganjas and some salutes at the end. So had a case of those left, Brad did, and that's actually going to be towards the finale, but we just put it in front of everything so it's farther away from the spectators area. Yeah, I'll show you some more of this when we uncover it here. All right, so left and right stations are all done. Just got to get a quick setup video before we cover these because we might get a little more rain. There's another one of the raccoon cakes, a double wing brocade crown with red mine. How many shots is the first one? 168? Yeah, that's right. We've shot this before in the last Labor Day show. 168 Freedom First Compound 1.4 Pro. Then we got a Poseidon. And then the what is it again? 320? 344. Oh, it's 344. Is that the same red mine one? Yeah. Yeah, they're all so you got three of the same double wings, which those are my favorite. Those are gonna be sick. And then we got, let me get on this angle. Haven't seen the new Trump cake yet. Should be sick. You guys have probably seen Morbius. There's another lid. Make sure we get everything off of it. Where were those sunglasses? Did you already move them? Yeah. Then we got the Boss 247. They got a little wet uncovering and covering them. A few more slices right here. These ones are red strobe, blue gold crown brakes, something along those lines. Then we got Megalodon. Oh, that one's the right way. 300 shots. We got all those angled the right way, yeah. Is Megalodon right? Yeah, or Megalodon's all straight, that's right. It's just like rapid pace, or somewhat rapid.
It's very similar to Piggy Bomb.
Yeah, and then we got Voodoo 216, another slice, and then similar to the left and right stations, we got more Brass Knuckles, and those are the 16 shot, right?
Salute.
And then Trippy, haven't seen this yet, 2-inch 66, right? Yep. And then Collection Agent, you guys have seen. And then we double fuse these, there's actually 2 of them, I'm not gonna uncover it all the way. The 100 shot salutes, 1.4 Pro. There's 4 E-matches, right? Or did you just do 2?
4.
Yeah, 4, so they should rip pretty quick because we want them to go right after the 6-inch fireballs, which, like I showed you guys earlier, I got 2 of those now. So I'm gonna do a test for future shows by shooting 2 of them at once, so it should be about 4 gallons. Twice as big maybe, we'll see. But looking pretty nice on the lake, as hopefully the rain is done, but we may have a little bit still coming in before the show, so we're gonna cover all the center station up. So I just wanted to show you guys that. But yeah, should be a really sweet show. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
All right. We're ready.
All right, give me a countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
side.
Nice. Yeah, drip straight. Uh-oh. Nice one. I like those colors. Come on. What was that? It went out. Go, baby. Look at their flashing lights over there. Yeah, come on. Hey, that's bright. Oh, here it goes again. Yeah. No, it didn't. Still going, I think. Huh? All right. Woo!
Nature board. It might, the last rut might have went out. I don't know.
At least most of the one. About 7 minutes in. Woohoo, that echo, baby.
Yeah.
Damn. Almost no flash.
I know.
Damn, it said the test case in the first one. Woohoo! That was sick. Those slices, those are the slices. Megalodon!
No way.
No. Megalodon went out.
God dang it.
They must have got a lot of water on them. Those don't have reverse fuses, do they? They go with it. I could try, but I don't know where the fuse is. That was the problem.
Please don't go out.
It's wet. It's wet as fuck.
Please don't go out.
The fuse is wet. Wow, those are actually cool.
I cannot believe vacation not clean. It's taking away so much of
We shouldn't have put that fucking tarp over it, dude. I told you when you brought that down. Those are cool. market. Hey. Fireball's coming. Give it a little pause so it can down. Yeah, baby, keep going. Oh yeah, the fence is nice. Look at the spread. Yeah, man. Yeah! Did you hear it?
Yeah.
In the fire?
Sick.
Did you hear the salutes in the fireball?
Yeah.
It sounds crazy.
Listen. Listen.
Good job, man.
Listen.